All right, I just received this in the mail. And you know what? I'm not really a car mechanic, and this looks like it may be difficult for me to actually put into a car because I would have to have a car that needs a light. But let's take a look and see what's in this. So this is the name of it. This is some stats. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what that's going to tell you. It does come with this user's manual, and here's the product itself, which looks pretty sophisticated. Look at this. So I guess this is plugs into the plugs on your headlight on your car, and instead of having a halogen bulb, you've got a LED, which this is supposed to be really bright. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna show you guys how this works, but we'll just have to figure it out somehow. I wonder if I can plug it into something just to get the idea. But I think it would probably be about 12 volts, but this looks like a regular plug. So I don't know. I don't want to blow it up. But anyway, that's these crazy headlights. And I think you can get these on Amazon, I do believe. And we're going to have to try them on a car. I just got to figure out which car we're going to do it on. But until then, this is Tom Lehman signing out with the unboxing of the LED headlight. Peace out. That's the reboxing right there.